Lotion. Broccoli, celery, gotta be VeggieTales, lima beans, collard.
Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. And before I get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. At the end of this video, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. But most importantly, please comment and share this video if possible. And with that said, let's get to the point. Well, I recently bought a 1999 Dodge Ram off of Facebook Marketplace, and I will be giving y'all a little walk around of this Ram. So let's take this outside. So let's take a look around this truck. Got a lot of goodies, a lot of parts on top for this truck. Got some nice rims and tires. Good tread, some Michelins. A little bit of nicks and dings. Oh, we got a little rust spot right there. Normal rust. A little ding there. Like I said, nice tires and rims. Got a lot of clear coat peel all over the hood, on the top of the truck. Got a little whammy right there. Like fog lights gonna need to be cleaned up. Right now the hood is propped. Sorry about the wind, it's kind of cold out here. This is the 99 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport V8. Like I say, got a lot of stuff on top, a lot of goodies on top. So let me get y'all out of this weather and get back into this nice warm garage. But first, let me pop this hood. Got a little valve cover leak. So I'll be replacing the valve cover gaskets as well. Both sides. Yeah, you can see down there it's leaking. The other problem I had was these aftermarket tail lights are not for the Sport. As you see, it's only one bulb. The Sport takes two bulbs, so I got an extra socket down in there, right there. Extra socket. And exactly that don't really fit up in there on both sides. And I have a little problem with the ABS. I have to address the ABS. I got another ABS module from Pick and Pull. Unplugged this, is still getting the same code. I put out on my reader and address that issue in a later video. But let's get this truck back into the garage and I'll show y'all the interior. So like I said, let's address that. Let's check the interior. Woo! Well, don't worry about that, y'all. The door panel is up there on the back of the truck. I was addressing the speaker's not working. So interior pretty good. Just a little bit right there. Cup holder is missing, but I got another one from the junkyard. See that door panel off too. Fixing the replacing the speakers. And the normal Ram issue is the bezel cracking all up. As you can see, bezel's all cracked, and you really see the dash is pretty much gone. All the way to over there. So I will be trying a new dash cover. But let's see how she runs. No lights on the dash. 179, 168 is the mileage. You got a half tank of gas. Good compression on the motor. Don't got a problem with the motor. Oh, let's go see that motor run. Like I said, the radio speakers really don't work. Gotta clean this garage. Brand new serpentine belt. Got a little squeaking out of these other belts. But I ordered a new tensioner pulley and a new idler pulley for this Ram. Hopefully one of those pulleys is the one that's squeaking. I replaced the side mirror with the other side mirror right there. All taped up, had sheet metal screws going in, hold it on. Glass good. And he got an aftermarket headlights. They have some HIDs on there that don't work. And I will be cleaning the garage. Ooh, but let's look at all the good. He's got that Boss audio system, 6x9s to go in there. What's this? Let me cut this car off, truck off. So the brand new aftermarket headlights that will be installing in another video. And you see it's dual lights, triple. You got your turn signal, your high and your low beam. I will be installing both of these in another video along with some other stuff. Trailer wiring, thing for the speakers. Oh, something to diagnose my ABS system. Oh, the new shocks for the back, courtesy of AutoZone. Like I said, a cup holder. Okay, what we got in this box? That's just a license plate, courtesy light, because it's not working. One of them missing. This is the speed sensor that go in the rear differential. What else? Some wiper blades. And in this box, should be the new dash cover and bezel. So let's take a look. Give me a minute. Let me grab that box. So we can see what's exactly in here. Well, like I said, straight from China. Straight from China, brand new bezel. For the Ram. Looks pretty good. I'll sit that over here. Let's see how this cover looking. Straight from China. It's hard doing this with one hand. Which y'all can see, it's just a cover. Cover up that messed up one that's already in there. I'm gonna have to drill these holes out before I install it, so you'll be able to get to those bolts that's behind there. But that's it for the poor Dodge Ram. She's gonna get a lot of new stuff. Oh, in this box, just the headlights and fog lights. I'll show y'all one more time what I'm talking about with the ABS system. Let's see. We have the ABS and the brake light on. I don't even know what I did last time. I just showed you that video and I had no lights on. Now the lights are on. But all the gears work. Reverse. Drive. See the truck move. But like I said, I'll fix that problem. I'll fix all the problems. Now, let's take a look up under the truck. So let's take a look up under the truck. You can see right there, gonna need new back suspension, back shocks. Oh. I'm gonna end up replacing the differential, or the rear differential gasket. They already had new brake lines put in. Cause I don't like how that's looking. I would need another spare. It's missing the spare. But Y'all can see right there, differential kind of leaky. That shock is messed up. Let's take a look in the front. Gonna be needing a new transmission pan. Kind of rusted out back here. Transmission pan gasket. Gonna be replaced as soon as I order it. And probably an oil pan gasket. It's leaking from somewhere up in there. But I have all this tore apart in another video. The front shocks need to be replaced too. I have to order those. It's not that much rust. On there, shall I order a whole new oil pan? I don't know. I'll see how much one costs. So with all that, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Like I said in the beginning of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. But most importantly, please share this video and leave me a comment in the section below. Until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Peace.